Hi guys, in this video I will be sharing what is VibeML and what is it for. Currently the VibeML agents are mainly used for training dataset. If you provide the dataset, it will train the LLM for you. Thus the enterprises can make the expert LLMs like HR LLMs, the radiologist LLMs, finance LLMs and all. And if you are a person who want to try LLM for you, you can input your dataset and thus train the model. And these are some of the example. This is the radiology dataset, OpenGL dataset, which is extracted from the websites of Opsilon dataset. And how you can do is you can just basically search. This is the World War III, and if you paste the World War III tactics into tactics into here. Tactics into in the top, it will extract the dataset from the website. And why is this for? Basically, this is for supervisor fine tuning, and these are the supervisor fine tuning steps. For the supervisor fine tuning, you need a base model. Currently I'm using Qwen 2 0.5 billion, and it is the best for the CPUs. And for supervisor fine tuning, you need to have a data set as well. This is the data set which I am using, OpenGL generic OpenGL generic, and there are a lot of other data set. uh, there are a lot of like open like trends are distilled, and if you want any data set from Hugging Face, you can search here and find. I'm searching the alpaca, and it will search on the Hugging Face and find. You can search different models in the Hugging Face as well here. Like I'm searching llama, and it will find the different llama set from the llama models from the Hugging Face, and you can train on which models based on the your CPU power. So currently I'm selecting Qwen and the Alpaca dataset because I'm using everything is working on CPU. And then the step is why we need distillation. This for supervisor fine tuning, the dataset that to be distilled should be in Alpaca format. And what is Alpaca format? I will show you. Let me search on Google. And alpaca Hugging Face. Okay, this is an example of the alpaca Hugging Face dataset. It's an instruction and the output format. You need to basically instruct the dataset should be in that format. So like what China is doing with American models, here I am distilling. If you click on distill, it will start distillation and it will take some time. After distillation, the model will push the dataset into Hugging Face. Here is an OpenGL dataset which I distilled. And if you want to view the dataset, you can just click here and view that. These are the instruction and these are the outputs. You can this is the Transfer website which I tried on. You can view that dataset as well. List the companies mentioned: Indus Healthcare, Industrial, Consumer, Media, Identify. This is how the dataset is created. After the dataset is created, the next step is to build the model. Start fine tuning. I have selected going to 0.5 billion and the dataset, and if we start the fine tuning, it will generate the uh, code for fine tuning, and it will start fine tuning. These are the Python code. Okay, it's cooking, and after the model is trained, you can test on this arena. And currently, I'm not testing this because it is a little bit CPU heavy. If I start doing this, and my screen record will turn off, and I will upload a dedicated video based on this chat update. And currently, the training is in progress, and I have run only five epochs. If you check the VML, you can see the 5 steps, and these are live graphs. You should have able to see the live graphs. Yeah. And the model is if the a model will be good if it is run more than 300 training steps. So if it run for more than 300 training steps, it will be automatically uploaded into the Hugging Face. And if you check my Hugging Face, you can see a couple of models. I will search Hugging Face. Yeah. Okay. These are the data set which I trained, which I distilled the OpenGL data set, Vishnu Suresh, Peribao transfer data set, and wow, 68 downloads, 33 downloads. I don't know who's downloading this. You can check out all this. It's all automatically uploaded by the VSP agents, and I'm not handling it. And then these are some of the models which I trained 20, only this model. This is run for 300 steps, and it will automatically uploaded here. You can test it on it. If you want to test it, you can there is a space also here, and you can chat here. Okay, wow, this is working. What technologies does Tensor work? So Well, so you can test the model here because the local model is CPU heavy. My screen record will turn off. Okay. Currently, this is the model which I trained on my CPU device, and next I will talk about the future expansion plan of the this VML enterprise. VML Arena. VML Studio. I will focus mainly on benchmarking. So for the this will help individuals to train a model which helps to earn good marks in a specific benchmarks. That's one I am targeting, and next I will be make available the ONNX format also, so it will be easily to be deployed on the browser side, and the future plan is currently we will show the people how much good a model can be in CPUs, and imagine the same thing that is trained on the GPUs. So currently this is mainly for architecture innovations in the CPU. So that is the VML agent. Thank you.